How to fix no sound when second monitor is connected in Windows. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if you have connected to a second monitor but there's no sound coming from your computer. This often happens because Windows automatically switches the audio output to the monitor, even if it does not have a built-in speaker. To fix this, go ahead and open up your sound settings. For that, you want to go ahead and in the search bar, search for settings. Once you search for it, open it up. Once you open the settings up, you want to go ahead and simply tap on System. Then from here, simply click on Sound. Once you're inside this section, you want to go ahead and simply check which device is selected. If Windows is outputting sound to the monitor with no speaker, change it to your preferred device such as your speaker or headphones. And that's it guys, your sound should now work properly. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.